watch them show about Friday the 13th, Chainsaw Massacre, Saw, Nightmare on Elm Street, and you can't sleep for the rest of the night? Well, in a Jamaica, if somebody tell about Duppy, especially if I feed them on an encounter, you could be can't sleep for the rest of the week. In a Jamaica, a Duppy refers to a ghost, or as some people call it, a spirit. You know, say some of the Duppy them we have nice, and some of them definitely know how to bubble. Papi sure. You see, in a Jamaica, we have some Duppy we gain island-wide notoriety, having even been named and are now very much etched in our history. Duppy there used to fling stone pan people all stop and not stop fling stone after them when time them come look on him. That the one there, we hear say him used to love play domino. So all the night when them boy used to get up on the corner about them a liquor rounds, that Duppy that used to come and want the people in hand too. Lord, domino mash up everybody road. And when you walk at night, nobody know their street them the time there. You think I lie? Just in our day, yeah. In a St. Catherine, one Duppy lays up on the people, them, as according to the people in the community. And the Duppy no stop man and go and poor little boy. Me mama.
What's in a Duppy a brave?
Wait, them sitting there make you want wet up yourself, not true? But you see the biggest and baddest Duppy were in a Jamaican folklore, that are the one where roam the place in the wee hours of the night. At them time that them roam, I went even dog afraid and Duppy tired. That is the rolling calf. You see, as quickly, when them older heads tell you about rolling calf, every jack man, woman, even the dog find them abiding city as our start beat. Because you know say, if anyhow that the rolling calf catch out that street, my God, I don't know what I go do. Yeah man, hey, in a Jamaica, Duppy thing, a serious thing. Whenever I hear about all the white witch readied up a Rosal, Rosal is the place where she used to do her guzum for her husband them, to kill them off, one by one. But nowadays, mostly have Obia man and them people, and you know what them can put for you? Science.
Science again, science again, science again.
What is that? I was come on. Don't come here.
Yeah man, you see in a Jamaica, them say the Obia man can do all kind of things to you. And one of the things he can do is set Duppy upon you.
I will have beat them with me button.
And let me tell you something. You see them Duppy are some serious smarty, you know. Hey, you hear about Gaza box? Well, try Duppy box. Watch a man. Them say if Duppy box, you know, turn your head round 360 degrees one time. Yeah man, one of the things them say in Jamaica will make Duppy box you is if you call out them knee. On the other side of the kind, you ever wonder why all the time you think Auntie Fine, yes, Auntie Fine name what she name until when she dead, you find out say her real name was Isilda? Well yes, me know say everybody always like to get them kids nickname. But you know one of the reasons in Jamaica people have a different name, well, is because them no want Duppy hear the right name and call them out at night. So, how you know when Duppy about? Well, you know in America, them say the place get cool.
I see dead people.
In a Jamaica, them say the place get hot. You feel a piece of shit back of you. And sometimes you get a strong smell. You see, Duppy? Well, if you're never naturally born with the gift like some people, then them say you can take the matter out of the dog eye and rub it in a few eye, and that is a sure way if you see Duppy. Or some people say if you bend down and look underneath your foot, you will see Duppy too. Oh, if you get rid of the Duppy. Back in the day, them say you fi sweep behind the casket as the casket can leave to ensure say you send the Duppy pan away and it will come back. And next way, anoint the place with the olive oil. Round and round and anoint the smaddy Duppy set pan. Duppy will not return. And you see if you have young baby a yard, you make sure say you hang that tape measure over the door and open the Bible in the crib to Psalms. Because them say in Jamaica, if you hear baby a laughing at them sleep, I see if you have bill up house, you make sure say you sprinkle like a white rum and you sprinkle the blood of a recently slaughtered fowl in order to make sure say no uninvited guests don't come and disturb the construction activities, or when the place done and put up nicely, them not come take up residence in our place.
You know, like me about to get a work I never get now. I know me to left it. I know could have scream and creak and growl and call up. Me not left the work.
No, you see if your husband dead, you make sure say you have to wear one red underwear. No. Not one like that. Them say if you wear one big red underwear if you don't want him come at night time come, well, perform any husbandly duties on you. You see, follow me? Me I wear one of them big red something, yeah? Yes, man. Them say a next way for run Duppy is to give enough white rum. And I'm talking about nothing less than 100 proof Mr. Ray and his nephew. And you see, especially when graver dig, enough right rum off your floor. Not to mention 9 night. If white's not floor and Sankey not sing, dead yard no nice. Well, may I tell you, this is why at any setup, you always find at least one old junk string out somewhere about the place and going like this. Well, me is no bullbuck and Duppy conqueror, but me never see Duppy before. The only one never me see, favor this. Massimi massa, no. Well, them say belief kill and belief cure. Me say Duppy know who fi frighten, and I ain't afraid of no ghost.
Listen to me, no? If I Duppy, me a conqueror. Me no play that one.
Said, don't know.
Go back to the grave.